Imagine a world where your windowsill not only brightens your home, but also fills it with delightful fragrances, herbal teas, and even natural bug repellents. That's the magic of scented geraniums, according to Patrick McDuffee, the passionate nursery manager at Wellsweep Herb Farm in rural New Jersey. For Patrick, these versatile plants are more than just decorations. They're a way to connect with nature year-round. But here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that scented geraniums aren't just about their captivating smells? They can also be brewed into teas, used as natural insect deterrents, or shaped into living works of art through topiary techniques. Wellsweep Herb Farm, located in Port Murray, New Jersey, is a botanical wonderland spanning over 6 acres, featuring themed gardens and an impressive collection of around 2,000 different types of herb plants. Among these treasures are over 80 varieties of scented geraniums, just one part of the farm's vast array of specialties, which include mints, lavenders, thymes, rosemary, oreganos, and medicinal herbs. The farm has been a cherished destination since its founding in 1969 by Cyrus and Louise Hyde, who passed down their love for herbs to future generations, including Patrick, his uncle David Hyde, and his grandmother. Each gardening season, Wellsweep hosts free weekend festivals that draw visitors eager to learn and explore. One such event, the upcoming Fall Flower Festival and Craft Market, will take place on August 30th and 31st, offering expert talks, garden tours, and what Patrick calls a scented geranium deep dive. This festival promises to be a celebration of plants, knowledge, and community, with guest speakers covering topics ranging from butterflies and birds to mushrooms and gin making. And no registration is required. It's completely free. Visitors can simply walk in, attend classes, and enjoy the beauty of the gardens. Patrick's enthusiasm for scented geraniums stems from a lifetime of immersion in the world of herbs. He recalls receiving his first rose geranium as a teenager, a gift from his grandfather, Cyrus Hyde. At age 16 or 17, Patrick learned how to train this plant into a topiary, moving it with him through college dorm rooms and apartments. Though he eventually killed it with overly aggressive pruning, the experience sparked a lifelong passion for cultivating and experimenting with scented geraniums. Today, he creates stunning topiaries and uses the leaves to make rose geranium cakes and herbal teas. But why stop at tea? Scented geraniums have countless uses. For instance, Patrick shares a clever trick for outdoor adventures, rubbing geranium leaves on his legs to repel ticks. Many organic tick repellents contain Pelargonium graveolens, a type of scented geranium, underscoring its effectiveness. Beyond practical applications, the sheer variety of scents available is astonishing, from familiar aromas like rose and citrus to unexpected ones like coconut, black pepper, Parmesan cheese, and even chocolate mint. Patrick often engages children by asking about their favorite flavors and then introducing them to matching scented geraniums, a fun way to spark curiosity about plants. While many people associate scented geraniums primarily with their fragrances, some varieties boast striking foliage as well. Take, for example, chocolate mint, with its fuzzy red-centered leaves, or variegated forms like Charmai's snowflurry. These ornamental qualities make them appealing even to those who might overlook their aromatic charms. Others, like French vanilla and black pepper, have gained popularity thanks to the efforts of volunteers like Greg, a retired geranium enthusiast who helps maintain Wellsweep's collection. For those interested in growing scented geraniums, Patrick emphasizes their adaptability to container gardening. Native to southern Africa, these tender perennials cannot survive frost, so they must be brought indoors during colder months. Smaller leaf varieties thrive best in sunny, south-facing windows, while larger-leaved ones tolerate east or west-facing spots. Overwatering is a common pitfall, as these drought-tolerant plants prefer arid conditions similar to their native habitats. During winter, Patrick advises minimal interference, letting the plants rest rather than encouraging leggy growth through excessive pruning. Come spring, a light-shaped prune prepares them for outdoor life again. Repotting and root pruning may also be necessary, especially for mature plants. Patrick recommends using fast-draining soil enriched with bark and perlite, avoiding moisture-retentive mixes. When transplanting, he suggests gently slicing the edges of the root ball instead of aggressively breaking up the roots, preserving the health of the plant. So, whether you're drawn to scented geraniums for their fragrances, culinary potential, or ornamental value, there's no denying their versatility. As Patrick puts it, there's a geranium for everyone. But here's a thought-provoking question. If you could choose just one scented geranium based on scent alone, what would it be and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about these remarkable plants.